everyone, you have just heard a nice lecture about coping with stress and emotions. Now, our Aki Youth Forum members from City of Nagpur will enact a role play. This role play shows how a young girl forces herself to have a boyfriend under peer pressure and lands up in a toxic relationship. Her friends help her out and come to her rescue to exit the situation. Tina, Myra and Sweetie have passed their 10th grade in India. In 11th grade, they have recently become friends. Myra and Sweetie have boyfriends. So Tina feels left out without a boyfriend and is under stress. So she started her relationship with Rocky, whom she met online. Rocky is from another college and 4 years older to her. Tim is Sweetie's boyfriend. Myra's boyfriend is not in the role play.
Tina introduced Rocky to us at a party.
Rocky, meet my friends Myra, Tim and Sweetie.
Hi. This party is boring. Can we leave?
Wait for a while. Let's wait for a while, Rocky. I'm enjoying with my friends.
Tina, are you coming or not? If not, I'll leave.
Okay, whatever you want.
We didn't like Rocky, but Tina was keen on showing off that at last she also had a boyfriend. We weren't aware at the time that Tina was getting uncomfortable with Rocky's behavior. He was very possessive, constantly monitoring her whereabouts. He was also abusive whenever she talked with other boys or didn't immediately listen to whatever he had said or asked her to do. Once, we were all out to have ice cream in our break and we saw the way Rocky behaved with Tina.
Why are you laughing with them? Let's go see a movie.
Oh, I would love to, Rocky, but I have to go back with them for a class.
Tina, I don't like to hear a no. Mind it.
Rocky, please don't get angry. I won't attend the class. Let's go.
Silly girl, you ruined my mood.
We were quite shocked at this behavior and we asked her to break up with him. But Tina told us that Rocky was a very smart guy and many girls were interested in him and that she felt very nice to have him as a boyfriend. Moreover, she wasn't sure whether she'd be able to get another boyfriend if she broke up with him. She was also afraid of Rocky's temper. And so, Tina continued to endure his verbal and sometimes even physical abuse. 2 weeks had passed. Rocky wasn't answering Tina's calls. She was getting restless. One day, in a school campus,
Rocky, where are you? Damn it! Why is his phone switched off? It's another weekend without you. Rocky, I really miss you. I will get his address somehow and meet him at his house.
Tina found Rocky's address, went there and rang the doorbell. When he opened the door, she found him with another girl and it was obvious that they were in a relationship. They also appeared to be drunk and Tina saw drugs on a table. She left immediately. She was distraught and she called us.
Tina, where are you? We all are looking for you here. Your mom had called me. Why was your phone switched off?
I was outside Rocky's house. I don't want to talk to my mom. My parents don't know about my relationship with Rocky.
Oh, Tina, at least you're safe. Wait, we are coming to get you there. Send me your location.
How could he cheat on me? He was so terrible to me, yet I kept doing whatever he wanted me to do. Because I didn't want to lose him. I didn't know he did drugs. Why did this happen to me? Why?
Why didn't you ever tell us, Tina? This relationship isn't good for you. You need to get out of it.
You should have told us that you were so stressed out in your relationship. We are your friends and we are here for you.
I could see you all happy with each other. I also wanted to be in a relationship and could not let Rocky go.
We can understand your situation, Tina. But there has to be trust in friendship and comfort in a relationship always.
When partners do not respect each other and a comfort zone is not established, a relationship cannot exist. It's better to be alone than to be in an abusive one.
Tina, now try to keep calm, okay? We are all here to support you, but I think that this matter is serious and you need to get help from the school counselor. You should also confide in your parents. After all, when you break up with Rocky, you will need their help if he causes you trouble.
You're right. I've really went haywire and messed up my life. Now I will talk to my parents about everything and take help of our high school counselor. Thank you, friends, for being with me in my bad times.
That's great. Tina ultimately finds a way. At this age, teen must enjoy a healthy friendship with peers, both boys and girls. One need not feel pressurized to have a relationship. Not having a girlfriend or a boyfriend does not make a loser. Very often young adults or older men start relationship with the young school girls, and at this young age it is often difficult to understand and cope up with a manipulative and toxic relationship. Always take the help of adults, counselor, parents. Positive peer support is also very important.
Initially, we see the effects of negative peer pressure forcing Tina to get a boyfriend.
Tina chose an older boyfriend from online chats without really knowing much about him.
The peer group had empathy and helped Tina understand her problem and have courage to make the right decision, making her aware that she needs to be safe and break off from this relationship.
Her friends also helped her understand that in addition to the support system of her peers, she also needed adult safety network of her parents and counselor to cope up with the situation.
So, in this role play, in addition to coping with stress and emotions, many other life skills were used by Tina's peers to help her cope with the situation and find a solution.